The Porsche 911 is likewise somewhat limited and not as ostentatious as some of its adversaries, similar to the Audi R8 or the McLaren 570 GT. That is the thing that TopCar needs to change with its Stinger GTR Carbon Edition. The Russian tuner obviously ran hard and fast with this assemble, plunging both the front and back sash, and additionally the side skirts, cap, reflect covers, wing, vents and shoulder line, in carbon fiber. A similar lightweight material can likewise be found inside on the controlling wheel, the dashboard, the back of the seats and the entryway boards. However, with regards to the lodge, what emerges the most are the gold components, and we're talking genuine gold. It's on the apparatus lever, paddle shifters, entryway handles, electric seat catches, air vents and some switches. It's likely the most luxurious Porsche 911 inside we have ever observed, despite the fact that it presumably won't be to everybody's preferring, since Porsche idealists by and large incline toward a simple way to deal with their 911s. With respect to execution, TopCar will knock the power on your Porsche 911 the distance to 750 horsepower, which ought to raise it to Maca's 720s levels of execution.